Ever tried ordering tacos in Spanish and ended up asking for shoes? It's a classic mix-up that can leave you red-faced and hungry. But don't worry, you're not alone. Many people have found themselves in similar situations, struggling to communicate in a foreign language and ending up with hilarious, albeit embarrassing results. Let's make sure that never happens again. Hey language enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting your language journey, these tips are for you. Imagine confidently ordering your favorite dish, making new friends, and even impressing locals with your language skills. Sounds amazing, right? Imagine speaking a new language so fluently you could win an argument with a local. Sounds fun, right? Picture yourself debating the best coffee shop in town or discussing the latest local news, all in a language that once seemed foreign to you. It's not just about the words. It's about the connections you make and the experiences you gain. Well, stick around, because I'm about to share 5 hilarious yet powerful tips to help you master any language in record time. These tips are not only effective but also fun, making your learning journey enjoyable and memorable. Tip #1. Start with phrases, not words. When you learn phrases, you're equipping yourself with ready-made sentences that you can use in real-life situations. It's like having a toolkit of expressions that you can pull out whenever you need them. This approach helps you communicate more naturally and confidently. Think of phrases as cheat codes. Learn where's the bathroom, before bathroom, or you might find yourself in trouble. Literally. Phrases give you context and help you understand the flow of the language, making it easier to pick up new words and expressions along the way. Tip #2. Use the 80-20th rule. This rule is all about efficiency. Focus on the 20% of words and phrases that you'll use 80% of the time. By prioritizing the most common and useful vocabulary, you'll be able to communicate effectively without getting bogged down by less relevant words. Focus on words you actually use, because honestly, how often are you discussing quantum physics in Portuguese? Stick to everyday language that you'll use in conversations, travel, and daily interactions. This way, you'll build a practical vocabulary that serves you well in real-life situations. Tip #3. Imitate, don't translate. When you imitate native speakers, you're not just learning words, you're learning how to use them naturally. Pay attention to their intonation, rhythm, and body language. This will help you sound more fluent and less like a textbook. Stop translating word for word. You're not Google Translate, and let's be honest, even Google gets it wrong sometimes. Translating can lead to awkward and incorrect sentences. Instead, try to think in the language you're learning. This will help you develop a more intuitive understanding of how it works. Tip #4. Make it visual. Visual aids can be incredibly powerful in language learning. They help you associate words with images, making it easier to remember and recall them. Plus, they add a fun and creative element to your study routine. Label everything in your house. From your fridge to your mirror, labeling household items in the language you're learning can turn your home into a language immersion environment. It's a constant reminder of the words you're trying to learn. It's fun until your friends visit and ask why your fridge says El Refrigerador. But hey, it's a great conversation starter and a way to share your language learning journey with others. Who knows, you might even inspire them to start learning a new language too. Tip #5. Talk to yourself. It might sound strange, but talking to yourself in the language you're learning is a fantastic way to practice. It helps you get comfortable with speaking and allows you to experiment with new words and phrases without the pressure of an audience. Yes, talking to yourself is perfectly fine. Just make sure no one catches you arguing with your mirror in French. It's a great way to build confidence and fluency. Plus, it's a lot of fun to see how much you've improved over time. And there you have it. 5 tips to unlock your inner polyglot and avoid those embarrassing language mix-ups. These tips are designed to make language learning enjoyable and effective, helping you achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any other tips you might have. Sharing is caring, and together we can all become better language learners. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning a language is just like a first date. Awkward at first, but worth it in the end. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become, and soon enough, you'll be speaking like a native. Until next time, happy learning. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and most importantly, have fun with it. Language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Subscribe for more tips and laughs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts. Together, we can make language learning an exciting and rewarding